Diagnosis. Okay. You can be under a tree. Leave it there. When the ants surround it, you have diabetes. Number 2, when the grass underneath that, when it smells like barbecue, you have high cholesterol. When you fail to raise your pants, you have Alzheimer's. Kaya ko na, hindi natuwa. Ulit. Okay, first thing, health insurance is very expensive. Hindi ako maganda eh. Dapat yung ano dyan. When you can do a self-diagnosis. When you can take a pee under a tree. Leave it there. When the ants go around it, that means you have diabetes. When the grass dried up underneath, you are high in salt. When it smells like barbecue, you have high cholesterol. If you fail to raise your pants, you have Alzheimer's. If you have to raise what? Raise your pants. If you forgot to raise your pants, you have Alzheimer's.
Sige na, uwi na dahil ano.
Marami pa akong joke, kaya lang, hindi ko pa may...
Yan. Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ay, kanina, di ba tayo nakakanta dito?
Happy birthday, dear Beth. Happy birthday to you.
Yan.
And many more.
Yan.
God bless you.
May sinabihan ka? Oh, sige, naku, bakit hindi
Sige na, happy birthday. Sing happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Very nice. Yeah, many more to come.
Yes, amen.
Amen.
Ba't ako hindi mo pinagi?
Ikaw na ka susunod eh. Kasi nag-adlib ka kanina.
Yan. This is one of the best celebration that we have had as a group. We wish you very, very prosperous, long life, blessed, and favored birthday. So, more to come. And more camaraderie and celebration. Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy
Thank
birthday.
you very much.
Laki-laki ng mata ko.
Nasaan na yung iba? Nasa restaurant